How to enable or disable GBoard key pop-up on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. After that, we scroll down and tap on General Management. From here, tap on GBoard Settings, then tap on Preferences. Next, we scroll down and tap on Key Pop-up. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. This is what it looks like when we turn it on. When we tap on it, it will show a small pop right there. And if I switch it off, you can see when I tap on the key, it will not show any pop-up. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.